In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build business on Miro. Start by opening your Miro board. It can be a brand new board or one you already use for planning. The important thing is that you are inside the board where you want your business planning workspace to live. Next, go to the left sidebar and click the Templates icon. Templates are helpful because they give you a ready-made structure, so you spend less time formatting and more time thinking through the business. In the template search bar, type Business Model Canvas. When the results appear, select the Business Model Canvas template. This framework is designed to capture the core pieces of a business on one page, so it is easy to review and update as your idea evolves. After selecting it, click the Use Template button. Then click anywhere on the canvas to drop the framework onto your board. Take a moment to position it where you have room to work. If you like, you can zoom in so the section labels are easier to read, but keep your focus on filling in the key areas first. Now select the Sticky Note tool from the sidebar. Sticky notes are great for brainstorming because they are quick to edit and easy to move around later. Click inside the Value Proposition section. Then type the core problem your business solves. Keep it short and specific. A clear problem statement helps everything else on the canvas stay aligned. Next, click inside the Customer Segments section and type who your target audience is. Be as concrete as possible so it is clear who you are building for. If you need more space, you can add additional sticky notes, but keep each one focused on a single audience description. Now switch to the Text tool from the sidebar. Click the Revenue Stream section at the bottom of the canvas and type how your business will make money. Use simple language like subscriptions, one-time purchases, services, or licensing, depending on your model. Finally, click the Frame tool and wrap the entire canvas. Framing it makes exporting and sharing much easier, since it ensures the whole business model is captured as one clean snapshot. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.